Huwaida, and I'm from class B of English department. And in this occasion, I would like to discuss about English book, and the title is Strategies for Teaching Students with Learning Disabilities by Lucy C. Martin. This book is a practical guide for teachers and educators to understand and support students with learning disabilities. The book also discusses about effective teaching strategies to improve the learning abilities of students with disabilities such as dyslexia, ADHD, and others. It remains a useful guide for teachers and educators who want to improve their teaching skills. This book also have some chapters that talking about the understanding of learning disabilities, teaching strategies, developing lesson plans, using technology, and classroom management. And each chapter of this book has relevance to what happens in classroom environment, such as how we as students are able to be in the classroom conducively and how make our learning more fun and not boring. And the book also explains how a teacher is able to know the characteristic of each student who feel frightened, untrusted, and less confident. And something that I can apply in classroom is at page 49, which talking about emergency treatment for HD classes. The strategy may be controversial, but it works well for the authors when she was teaching in a class. So the first step is she asked student to tell her what time the class period ends. Even she already know the answer. And next, the teacher record the time on the blackboard so all students can see it. And the teacher explained that she understand they want to talk with each other. However, teaching comes first. She say that class will end 4 minutes early to give student time to talk. And she changed the time on the board to reflect 4 minutes for talking. She further explained that since there is no designated time for talking, she will not permit any talking whatever while she teaching. Question and relevant comments require raise hands. The consequence of any talking will be an adjustment in the time class end. If there is someone talking, the teacher immediately go to the board and erase project time for end of class and add 1 minute. So make class is longer. This usually happens once and rarely twice. If she perceives that all students are giving her right attention, she may go to the board and erase the project time for end of class and subtract in 1 minute. The outcome, students immediately get relationship with talking and loss of free time. And the teacher get to teach uninterrupted and the student get to learn without any interruption. The customary and usual 4 minutes spent correcting kids in class are unnecessary. The stress level is remarkably low. And something interesting from this book is on the chapter 9 under the title Test Taking. The author gives some several ways to the teacher to make test taking situation more comfortable. She gives some strategies about test taking and she could give us the example of test taking and like how to manage incomplete sentence, and she also make the summary what is the benefit from the strategies. And I will choose with sensory learning like in this book such as using visual, auditory, and kinesthetic approach to teach new conceptly because of there are various types of the students can get the lesson in class, and I would like to approach student more deeply to find out their learning methods in order to understand the material that presented. This book is very suitable for teachers because it provides a broad view of how to deal with students who have disabilities by analyzing looking for various solutions and providing future evaluation. And the author also provides many tips on how to be patient, calm teacher, nurturing, and enjoyable in dealing with various class conditions. Okay, and that's all for me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.